What if I told you you could create a talking animated character right now using just your phone? No coding, no complex software, just your creativity and Adobe Express. In this video, I'll show you how to bring your own digital character to life, step by step. So grab your device, buckle up, and let's turn your imagination into animation. And hey, if you love creative tools like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Let's build something amazing together.
Welcome once again to Collins Digital Academy. So if this is your first time coming across this YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe to this channel to get more educative content. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create animated characters, AI talking animated characters. So without wasting time, let's dive in. So we're going to head over to our Play Store to download the app that we are going to be using for this tutorial. So you're going to navigate to your search bar and search for Adobe Express. As you can see it here, so this is the Adobe Express. So this is the app we're going to be using. So just click on it, and then I've already installed it, so in your case you have to install it. Okay, so I'll just click on open, but in your own case you have to install it. So I'll just click on open, then allow the app to load up. So now you have to create an account. So but I have an account already, so you have to create your own account, but I'll just go ahead and sign in with my Google. So I have an account already, so I'll click on sign in with Google, and then it will ask me to select my Google account, and I'm going to select this one. So it is loading, so I'm just going to click on continue. We're just setting up the app. Okay, so let's just wait for it to load. You can use this period to smash that subscribe button, like this video so YouTube will recommend it to people who needs this video. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. So this is how the app looks like. So this is how the app looks like. So this is the feature we are going to be using. This feature right here, this feature right here, animate to characters. But in your own case, if you can't see this feature here, you can also see it from here. Click on quick actions here, and then click on it, and then scroll down, and then you can see it right here, animate characters. Right here you can see it, animate characters. So but let's use this one right here. So I'm going to click on it, and it is going to load up. So you just have to wait for it, be patient, and make sure your network is stable, you have a strong network connection. So just wait for it to load up. So it's loading. So this is how the interface looks like. So in this place now, we're going to be, let me show you guys one by one. So in this place, character is where you select the character, and this place, background, is where you select the background you want to use, and this place is where you select the size of the character you want to create. Okay, so let's proceed. So now let's find um a good character. So you can just scroll like this and find a good character. Like I said, make sure you have a strong network. So I think my network is delaying, so just wait for it to load up load up the characters. So, and you can also select more characters by clicking on this category, and you can see new, all people, young people, depending on the kind of character and the kind of animated video you want to create. Okay, so you can just click on animals and it will bring out animal characters. It will pop out animal characters. So I think my network is delaying it. So okay, my network is back. I selected young people and this is the characters I'm seeing. Can you see how it looks? So as you can see, you can also adjust it by moving this this point here. This point here, you can adjust it, make it smaller, or you can use this place right here. You can use this place right here to adjust the size of the person, or you can move it around. And then here is for the background, so you click on it. Here's for the background. Then you have to select, you can select a custom color, a that is a plain color, or maybe your own background. Do you understand? So you can just click on this place. You can make it transparent as well. You can make it, you can upload an image you want to use as a background. That is, if you are creative and you want to create a character, so you can upload an image you want to use as a background by clicking on this upload image, and it will take you to your gallery, and then you can upload the image. So we're just going to use an already made background from here. So I'm just going to find a one that suits it, a background that suits it. So just going to find a good background. Let me use this gaming couch, and then let me find a good character. So let me find a good character, or let me check professional people. So this is how you just keep navigating through it till you find exactly what you want. So these are professional people. So I can adjust this one like this. So let me just keep checking. Let me keep checking. So this is a doctor character. So this is how you can keep checking. Even the stickman character is here, so you just keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. See, these are popular characters on social media, so you can see it. These characters are very popular. So this is how you keep navigating till you get what you want, the character that you want. So after navigating, found this character which is also popular, so I'm going to be using this character to create it. So now I have finished setting up my background and choosing the perfect character for the video. So I'm just going to go to this place, size, as you can see it here, size, and then choose the aspect ratio for the video. So this one is a square ratio 1:1. So this is for Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and for TikTok this 9:16. And then this there are a lot of them. This is landscape for YouTube long videos, depending on the aspect ratio you want. Okay, so I'm just going to be using maybe, let me check. Okay, let me just use 1:1 ratio, 1:1, because I'm not creating, it's just for the tutorial. Okay, so as you can see, this is how landscape look like. Okay, let me just use landscape. I think is actually cool. So now for the voiceover, so this is where the voiceover comes in. So we have finished selecting our character and our background. So for the voiceover, you can either click here to upload, click on browse to upload a recorded audio, or you can click here to record your own voice in any other thing you want to do. Like, let's say you want to record yourself. Let's say you want to record yourself, you can just click on record here and then record what you want to see, or you can click browse to upload an audio you already have. Okay, so I'm just going to teach you guys how to create a voiceover for the video. Okay, so let's dive in. So we're going to go to our browser. So you head over to your browser, any browser you are using at all, and search for 11 labs. Okay, that's what we're going to be using to create our voiceover. 11 11 labs. So this is it here. So if you don't have an account, you create an account on 11 labs. This is the website we're going to be using to create our voiceovers. So this is my account here. I already have an account on 11 labs. So if you don't have an account, make sure you create an account on 11 labs. So I'm just going to input um the text I want to convert to audio. I already have it in my clipboard, so I'm just going to input it. So I already have it on my clipboard, so I'm just going to put it like this, and then I'll hit on generate speech down here. So I'll hit on generate. I've already selected the voice I want to use, which is the Adam voice. So after generating the audio, I'll just click on the download button. As you can see, click on the download button to download the audio that I just generated. So move over to the next step. So after generating the voiceover, I'm going to go back to upload it. So I'm going to click on the browse button, and then it will take me to my gallery, and then I'll select the audio. So I'm going to navigate through my gallery to find the audio, and then this is it. So I'll select it, and then the video will be uploading the voiceover automatically. So you just have to wait at this moment, to have patience at this moment for it to generate. Okay, so do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people. So let's just wait for it to generate. Let's just wait for it to generate. It will take some time for it to generate, but it won't take much time. So let's just wait. So as you can see, the video is ready. So we'll just click on the download button and then download the video, as easy as that. Then you can now find it in your gallery. Just click on the download button, and then the video will be downloaded straight into your phone. Okay, it's as easy as that. So let's just wait for it to download. So here's the final result.
Meet Techie Jr., the animated kid genius I just created using Adobe Express. With just a few clicks, I gave him life, from his big glasses to his talking mouth. It's fun, easy, and beginner-friendly, no design skills needed. If you've ever wanted to bring your characters to life, now's your chance. Try it out, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more creative tutorials from Collins Digital Academy.
So that's the end of this tutorial. If you love this kind of content, do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to a lot of people, and then bye for now.